You've shipped 10 features with Claude Code this week. Be honest with me. How many did you actually test? Because here's the part nobody says out loud. Your AI agent will finish a task, look you dead in the eye, and tell you it works when it never even ran it. Today we fix that. We turn Claude Code into a QA engineer that tests your entire app and hands you video proof of every single click. A normal bug throws an error. An AI agent fails silently. It clicks the wrong button, misreads the task, or fakes success, and everything looks fine for a week while it quietly ships something broken. The people building fastest with AI are the ones flying the most blind. So the real question isn't can AI build your app? It's can AI prove your app works? By the end of this video, it will on your own machine for basically nothing. This is where most people start. A prompt that's been floating around every AI agent video. Go through every tab, every feature, test it, record a video, tell me what fails. And honestly, it kind of works. It'll write a plan, click around your app, and come back with a report. But it has 3 quiet holes that let your agent lie to you. Let's plug all 3 because once you do, this becomes something completely different. Hole 1. Record a video is a suggestion, not a rule. So the agent tests the first 2 features, gets bored, and starts assuming the rest pass. The fix is a single line that changes everything. No result counts unless it's backed by proof, a screenshot, a recording, a console log, a network response, no artifact, no pass. Now the agent physically cannot hand you a green check mark it didn't earn. Hole 2, and this is the one that stops almost everyone. The login screen. Your best features live behind auth, and a fresh agent has no account, so it just skips them. In the original run, 9 tests got blocked for exactly this reason. The fix. You hand the agent its own test login up front as environment variables and tell it exactly how to get past the sign-in. Do that, and it walks straight through the front door and tests the stuff that actually matters. Hole 3. Pass or fail can't be a feeling, so we give it a rubric with exactly 4 outcomes. Pass needs proof, fail needs steps to reproduce plus the artifact. Blocked means it couldn't reach the feature. Skipped needs a reason, and one rule ties it together. If the agent is unsure whether something worked, it did not pass. That single sentence is what turns clicking around into actual quality assurance. Put all 3 fixes together and you get this. A testing plan that discovers every surface, ranks them by risk, logs itself in, tests each one, and proves the result or flags itself honestly when it can't. This is the whole prompt and it's free, links in the description. But do not leave yet because the next 2 things are what actually change how you ship. Here's the first one. Everything I just showed you tests your app once. But you can put this on a loop. Every morning at 7, Claude Code retests your whole app and only messages you when something actually breaks, with the recording of it breaking attached. You wake up to a bug report and a proposed fix instead of an angry user. Your QA never sleeps, never calls in sick, and never tells you it's fine when it isn't. And the second thing, the question every comment section asks and nobody answers. What does this cost? The cloud versions rent you a separate computer and bill you by the second. Run full QA a few times a day, and that number climbs fast. But this runs on the machine already sitting on your desk inside the Claude Code subscription you already pay for. Same evidence, same video proof without renting someone else's computer to get it. So let's watch it actually work. One command, it writes the plan, 166 checks across the whole app, then it just goes. Onboarding, every tab, the mobile view, the weird edge cases you'd never test by hand. And for every single one, an artifact. A few minutes later, the report lands. 147 passed, 2 failed with the exact recording of where they broke. That is not a coding assistant anymore. That's a teammate that verifies its own work. Now the honest part, this isn't magic. If you drop the evidence rule, a lazy agent will still try to fake a pass. The rule is the only thing keeping it honest, and it only tests what your plan tells it to, so a 5-minute read of that report is non-negotiable. The AI does the work, you still own the decision to ship. But that is a completely different way to build. You stop shipping on hope. Every feature you push now comes with receipts, proof that it works before a single real user ever touches it. The full prompt and the loop setup are free on the aihow.com, link in the description. And I want to know one thing, what's the single feature in your app you are scared to test? Drop it in the comments and I'll reply with the exact prompt to QAIT. This is the AI How, and I'll see you in the next one.